Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to make this video about Haylou Solar Watch. For your information, this video is not sponsored by Haylou company. I just love the fact that it is designed with a circular watch face, which is what I love better than the Apple Watch, despite the fact that I use Apple Watch daily. But after testing this watch for about 3 weeks, I tend to enjoy using it a lot. One of the best features I love the most about this watch is its battery. So in this video, I'm gonna do the unboxings as well as the full review of this watch. Hey guys, if you don't know me, I'm Paravuth and make different videos on app review, unboxings, photography and filming tips. So be sure to subscribe my channel to get more useful videos in the future. Okay, now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is the Haylou Solar Watch LS05 App. This is one of the best smartwatches you can find on the market because its special features as well as the price it offers. Okay, before jumping into the full review of this watch, let's do the unboxings all together. As you can see, what you can find in the box are, of course, the smartwatch itself, the magnet charging cable which can be used with your smartphone charging brick, and the manual. This Haylou LS05 is built in with water and dust proof with IP68. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.0. The battery is equipped with 340 mAh. I have been using this for about 3 weeks. The battery lasted on this watch when I unboxed it was 75%, and after 3 weeks it just dropped to 35%. So I can probably use this watch up to 1 or 2 more weeks. I'm so impressed with this watch. As you can see, the design of this watch is built with stylish metal body. This looks premium, and I love the fact that it is made in circular face, which is what Apple should consider making one as well. The strap of this watch is made of rubber and it's comfortable. And you can see multiple locks that you can adjust the size based on your wrist. You can see the Haylou printed here. This smartwatch is really light. It's much lighter than the Apple Watch, which is very convenient for daily users. I have been using Apple Watch since the launch of the Apple Watch Series 3. I do love using Apple Watch, but what annoying me the most is the battery. With Apple Watch, I can only use it up to 1.5 days. Unlike Apple Watch, this Haylou Solar Watch can be used up to 30 days as mentioned above, which is a huge difference between the two. Honestly speaking, I hate charging devices because after a day from work I have to charge my iPhone, LG, MacBook Pro and the Apple Watch. So it's quite annoying to do all of this stuff. So having to do once a month is really a game changer. Let me show you how the interface works. You can see the basic information here. You can swipe to the left, right, down or up to access to different features on this watch. When you swipe up, you can get to see a lot of useful features. There are 12 sport modes built in on this smartwatch, like jogging, fast walking, biking, climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running, integrated training, gymnastics, basketball, football and rowing. In order to get more features out of this watch, you have to connect it with your smartphone. The app of this watch is available on both iOS and Android. Now I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro Max to connect this Haylou Solar Watch. What you have to do first is to download the app called Haylou Fit. You can also find this app in this video description. After getting the app, all you need to do is just to sign up a new account using your email address or phone number. After logging in, you need to connect your phone to the watch and make sure you turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone and have it search for the watch. Now the watch is found, let's connect it. Now it is connected. As you can see, after connecting this Haylou Solar Watch, there are more hidden features available on this Haylou Fit app. I can now turn on the phone function where this watch vibrates when someone is calling me. Just turn it on and pair it with Bluetooth on if required. And moving on to the app, now I can turn on notifications from different available apps like Facebook, YouTube, Gmail and more. So I get notified quickly every time I get a new message from someone. Go to sport feature on the app. You can choose different sport modes like walking, outdoor running, indoor running and bicycle. You can also set your goal, like how many kilometers you want to achieve today, or how long you want to spend, or set your preferred calories burned. Then you can link all of the data from this watch to the built-in health app on your smartphone. All you need to do is to give permission to that. As you can see, you can now turn on all of these app features to link with the health app so that your health data can be stored on your iCloud, which is shared across all devices you own. Tap in the middle of the phone on this app, you can learn more details from the watch. As you can see, all the information include how many steps I have, the distance, the calories burned, plus I can compare all of these data daily, weekly or monthly. Or I can simply see all of these information right from the watch face, which is quite similar to the Apple Watch. By having the sport mode display integrated, I don't need to take out my phone just to know if I have reached my goal today. All I need to do is just to look at my watch display to learn all of my activities. You can also decrease the brightness of this watch or change the watch face as you like. All you need to do is to swipe down and tap on the brightness icon, and then you can just decrease it or increase it. To change the watch face, you need to swipe down and select watch face. Now you can choose the one you like. Well, after getting all the information about this Haylou Solar Watch, it's time to know how much it costs. Well, the price of this smartwatch is insane. It costs only $30. That is unbelievable that that kind of smartwatch with many built-in features like this one exists with this kind of price. Comparing to the Apple Watch, this Haylou Solar Watch is way cheaper. From my personal experience, I think this watch is worth the price. I now use it more often than the Apple Watch as I don't need to charge it every day. I recommend you guys to try one as well, just for additional uses when your other watch is dead. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.